Hey guys, it's Steph, the Midwest Cowgirl, and today's lesson we're going to be working on how to get your horse to walk. Hey guys, so this is going to be the first video of the Riding Lesson for Beginners series. It's going to be going over how to ask your horse to walk. It sounds like a simple concept, but there are a lot of important things that go into it, and having to do with your posture, your legs, your energy, and where your hands are. So I'm going to break it down step by step for you. So I'm going to start with my feet and I'm going to work my way up. So first, you want to start with your feet in your stirrups. So you want the ball of your toe placed right in the stirrups. You don't want them too far in and you don't want them too far out like that. You want just that sweet spot right on the ball of your toe. You only want a little bit of weight in your stirrups. You don't want to push on them, and you also don't want to do that. So when you have your toes down, it actually will bring your body forward, and it pulls this muscle here and it pulls you forward. And then if you have it here and you've got it all the way down, you've got a lot of weight in your heels, it's actually going to put a brace in your body and it's going to create a brace in the horse. So you want just a little bit, it's like they're just like a foot holder for you. You just want to have them just resting in there, and you want just a little bit of weight. Next, you would want to have your legs in a straight line. So when you're sitting in the saddle and you look down at your knee, you barely want to see the tip of your toe. If your legs are out here, it's going to make you lean too far back, and that'd be like if you're a reiner. But if you're here and your legs are too far back that way, it's going to make you lean forward and fall forward. And if your horse spooks or bucks or something, you're in the perfect position to go supermaning over your horse's head. So you want just right here, right and straight in line with your toe. Next, I'm going to talk about your seat. So when you're asking your horse to walk, you don't want to ask them to go forward like this, and you don't want to ask them to go forward like that. You want just to sit nice up and straight. Sometimes I tell my students to tuck their butt just a little bit because you don't want to sit too far in your pelvis. You want to sit right here. So the final thing I want to talk about before I actually get Rel to go is your hand placement. So your hands are going to be here. You want your reins forward, not this way. You want them this way. And I tell all my students that you want to be holding them like you've got an ice cream cone. So you want your knuckles like this, knuckles forward. I'll see people hold them like that. You want them this way. And you're going to have them just above the pommel, and my arms are usually about like a 90-degree angle or a little bit forward, and your elbows next to your sides. And then when I want Rel to go, I'm going to think about what I want, and my hands stay quiet. My legs do the asking, not my hands. So when I ask her to go, I'm just going to gently squeeze her sides and ask her to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a better understanding on how to ask your horse to walk. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video will be the opposite. We're going to be asking our horses to stop. Thank you again so much for the love and support. I really enjoy making the videos, and I hope you guys really enjoy watching them. See you in the next one.